So this is it. This is what I set out to find today. I'd seen this beauty from a distance, but I had to turn back that day, so I'm finally here. And down here, there are even more waterfalls, although there are none as big as that one. Let's go. There's a whole system of them in here. There's one. Here's another one. Let's get over there. There we go. I came up, I don't even know how many coming up this way. 3, 4, 5. And this one, that one going that way. This beauty here, this is beyond my wildest expectations. I was expecting a curtain falls, but it's great. And it looks like there's a flat spot right up there. I'm gonna go check it out and see if I can have lunch.